Okay guys, today we're going to do a PM FCC check on a P25 mobile Bk M150, and we're going to be starting off by looking at the transmitter. And on our service monitor we have the monitor set up with the frequency, attenuation, RF input, and over here on our meter we want to set up on the bit error rate screen, and we have our bar graphs pulled up. We're going to be starting off by looking at our transmit symbol pattern, and we're going to want to see a deviation of 2.8 kilohertz here, smallest possible frequency error, and an input level around 25 watts. And once we see that good, then we'll switch over to the bit error rate test, and we're going to want to see 0 bit errors when we do that test. So I have the radio program for low power, and I have the system test added to the menu. So let's just get started with the transmit test. We'll come up into the menu and go into the system test, and we want transmit symbol pattern. We'll go enter. You see it's transmitting digitally, and it's running. Over here on my deviation, like I said, 2.83 is ideal, so that looks good. 16 hertz frequency error is great. 29 watts is great as well. So that's a good reading there. So I'll exit out of that test, and now I want to go to the bit error rate test and confirm that I don't have any errors in my transmit. So I'll come up to the bit error rate on the radio. I'll hit enter. You'll see it starts. You'll notice on the frequency error I'm getting 150, and that's normal because of the abnormal data pattern here. If I come to my reset button here, which is down here on the screen, and I hit it and it starts afresh, you see up here at my bit error rate I'm maintaining 0% errors as the bits are stacking up, and I can reset it again if I want and start again, and you can confirm that you have a good bit error rate there. It should be perfect. So we're going to hit the exit on that, and that takes care of the transmit part. Let me get set up for the receive, and we'll continue from there. Okay, we're going to do the receive test now. On the service monitor I have it set to generate output level -50 RF input output. On the audio I have 2.83 kilohertz continuous, and I'm using the 1011 pattern. On the radio we're going to go ahead and get into the receive BER test. Now we're in the test. You see it's reading 0.00%. We're going to change the pattern to the calibrate pattern and confirm that our BER changes to 4.9 when we do that. And we are 4.9 BER in the calibration pattern, so that looks good. We'll change back to 1011. Now we'll change our RF level to -120, which is the factory spec for this particular radio. And we want to confirm that the bit error rate is 5% or under, and it is. So this radio passes its receive test. And that is the conclusion of the quick PM FCC P25 checkout. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you guys soon.